Programming your Chevy Silverado key fob is a straightforward DIY task. Start with the vehicle off and unlocked. Insert the key into the ignition and quickly turn it to the on position 10 times within 15 seconds. The vehicle should then enter programming mode, signaled by a chime or door locks cycling. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for about 15 seconds until you hear the door locks cycle again, confirming the fob is programmed. If you have additional fobs, repeat this button pressing step for each within the same programming session. The system typically supports up to 4 remotes. Remember to test each fob to ensure it's working correctly. This process is universal across the 2000-2006 Silverado lineup, with minor variations for automatic versus manual transmission vehicles. If key fob programming fails, several common issues could be at play. Let's troubleshoot the most frequent problems and their solutions. First, check the key fob battery. A weak or dead battery prevents proper signal transmission. Use a multimeter to test voltage and replace with a fresh CR2032 if needed. If you recently replaced the vehicle's battery, the body control module may have lost its memory. Simply repeat the programming sequence to restore functionality. For persistent issues, use an OBD2 scanner with an ELM327 adapter and apps like Torque or Car Scanner. These can interface with the engine control module to diagnose BCM faults and assist in pairing. AAA recommends checking the BCM first. If it's damaged, reprogramming will fail, and you'll need professional assistance at a dealership. Older models are vulnerable to replay attacks if not programmed correctly. Always erase old fobs by cycling the programming steps without pressing buttons. DIY reprogramming can save $100 to $150 compared to dealership fees. Success depends on vehicle condition and your skill level. Forum experts emphasize erasing all fobs first to avoid conflicts.